What is joint and several liability in personal injury law? Imagine you're in a car accident involving two drivers. You get hurt and want to get compensated. Now, who pays for your injuries? That's where joint and several liability comes into play. It's a rule that helps injured people get full compensation when more than one person is responsible for causing harm. Under this rule, if multiple defendants are at fault, each one can be held responsible for the entire amount of damages. So, even if one driver was only partly to blame, you can still ask that driver to pay all your damages. This means you don't have to chase each defendant for their exact share. Instead, you can recover the full amount from any one of them. Why does this matter? Well, sometimes some defendants might not be able to pay. Maybe they don't have enough money or are insolvent. Joint and several liability protects the injured person by allowing them to get the full compensation from any responsible party, regardless of fault division. If one defendant pays more than their fair share, they can seek reimbursement from the other responsible parties. This rule is especially useful when causation is complicated. When many parties contribute to causing an injury, it's hard to split fault precisely. For example, if several companies releases harmful substances that lead to health problems, it's tough to say exactly how much each caused. Joint and several liability makes sure the injured person isn't left without full compensation because of the difficulty in pinpointing each party's exact role. Practically, this means a person can sue all involved parties and collect damages from any one of them. It also means defendants face the risk of paying more than their share if others cannot pay. Courts often apply this rule in cases where injuries are caused by multiple negligent parties or when injuries are indivisible, like in accidents involving multiple vehicles or sources of harm. Overall, joint and several liability strikes a balance. It helps injured people get the money they need while allowing defendants to seek contribution from each other. It's a key idea in personal injury law that addresses the challenge of proving exactly who caused what when many parties are involved.